Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from making dumb purchases. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, with two contenders in the ring. The Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter on my left, and the Istone Ice 5 drone on my right. Which one will soar high, and which one will crash and burn? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about cameras. The Gloral drone boasts a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustability. Reviewers rave about its exceptional image quality, with one noting that the camera takes good photos and videos, although there's a slight lag in the live feed. Meanwhile, the Istone i5 rocks a 1080p HD camera. Sure, it's not 4K, but it's still better than your old flip phone camera. However, multiple reviewers have complained about the poor quality of the video, with abrupt and irregular movements. If you're serious about capturing every pimple on your best friend's face from the sky, Gloral's got you covered. But if you're on a budget and still want decent quality, Istone i5 isn't too shabby. Next, flight time. Gloral promises up to 46 minutes of airtime with its two batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate the extended battery life and the inclusion of a second battery for longer sessions. On the other hand, Istone i5 offers up to 30 minutes. Not bad, but let's be real, you're going to wish you had those extra 16 minutes when you're halfway through your aerial selfie session. So if you want more time to annoy your neighbors from above, Gloral's your guy. Now, let's talk about brains. Gloral comes loaded with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. It's practically a flying genius. Reviewers love the ease of use and the smart features, mentioning that the GPS home button makes it easy to return. Istone i5, while not as brainy, still has headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo, video. However, some users have reported issues with responsiveness and the drone flying away uncontrollably. It's like comparing Einstein to your average college student. Both are smart, but one's definitely going to win the Nobel Prize. Portability is next. The Gloral drone is compact and foldable, perfect for your next adventure. But the Istone i5 takes it a step further with a design that can fit in your pocket. Yes, your pocket. Despite its portability, some users have reported issues with build quality, mentioning that the drone is cheaply made. Who needs a bulky drone case when you can just slip it next to your phone and keys? If you're always on the go, Istone i5 wins this round. Finally, let's talk money. The Gloral drone will set you back $179. It's like buying a small piece of aerial art equipment. Reviewers generally feel that it offers good value for the quality and features provided. The Istone i5 is a more wallet-friendly $119. So if you're looking to impress your friends without breaking the bank, Istone i5 is the way to go. But if you're willing to splurge for those extra features and camera quality, Gloral is worth every penny. Overall, the Gloral drone with 4K camera receives high praise for its camera quality, intelligent features, and extended flight time. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and durable build. On the other hand, the Istone i5 drone has mixed reviews, with some users experiencing issues with build quality, camera performance, and flight stability. While it is more affordable, it may not offer the same level of satisfaction as the Gloral drone. So, there you have it. The Gloral drone with 4K camera is perfect for those who want top-notch quality and are willing to pay for it. The Istone i5 drone is the budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, fly high and shop smart. Product links are in the description.